Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
In just a few seconds, you can turn any image into an impressive monochrome mosaic puzzle that's in high demand on the market. First, upload image. You can select an image from your computer or simply drag and drop it directly into the tool. If you don't have a source image yet, no problem. We provide tools that allow you to create or convert a suitable source image. Next is book size. Choose the page size that fits the product you want to create, for example, 8.5 by 11 inches. Then, set the margin. You can turn on Show Margin to see the margin area directly on the page and quickly adjust the top, bottom, left, and right margins however you want. Next is grid size. There are 3 standard grid sizes to choose from. A grid with fewer cells will create a simpler result, while a grid with more cells will preserve more detail. With the classic mark set, the system represents the light and dark areas of the image in the puzzle in a clear and intuitive way. Whenever you change any setting, the result updates instantly, and a complete monochrome mosaic puzzle is generated right on the workspace. Quickly check the result using 3 modes: number, which displays the puzzle with the number system in each cell, pattern, which displays the corresponding marks, and solved, which shows you the completed image for reference. If a few cells don't look exactly the way you want, there's no need to generate everything again from scratch. Simply open Paint, select the appropriate mark, and edit the cells you want directly. In one simple workflow, starting from an original image, Monochrome Mosaic can create everything you need to complete a Monochrome Mystery Mosaic book. No design skills required. No API key required. Simply upload your image, choose your settings, and click Generate to get started.